Hi everyone, this is Kiyuki with another xTool screen printing how-to video. And this time I will be using the new M1 Ultra to create a decorative wall painting that also looks beautiful on a shelf. For this project you'll need the M1 Ultra or any other xTool laser machine, cardstock, the xTool screen printer, xTool walnut plywood, xTool screen printing ink, glue. Of course you can also use non-xTool material. Let's see how it's done. Step 1. Prepare your material. Make sure you have everything that you need set up and ready, including the xTool squeegee and the spatula. Step 2. Prepare your frames. This is a multicolor project. You'll need to set up 2 frames, one for each color. Bend those lashes. This will help to remove the cardboard. Insert the fixing pins. And stretch the frame. The easy stretch frames are ready in no time. Step 3. Prepare your design. Open the xTool Creative Space software and start a new project. Change the processing mode to screen preparation and choose Coded Screen in the EasySet library. Import an image of a sunflower. Use the Trace Image function to separate the colors into 2 layers. Change the processing mode to Engrave for both layers. Finally, put both layers back together to create a finished image. The alignment function of the software can help with that. The sunflower represents the letter O in this design. To complete the image, add the missing letters and place them where they belong. Again, use the Align function to make sure that every part of the design is aligned properly. Use the Reflect function to mirror your image horizontally. This step is very important, especially if you use words in your design. Step 4. Prepare the M1 Ultra. xTool created a frame fixing piece for multicolor prints with the xTool M1 Ultra. If you use the razor base and honeycomb, switch back to the base plate. Place the frame fixing piece on the right side of the machine and tighten the screw. Now place the first frame inside the M1 Ultra. Measure the distance. Step 5. Process. And now it is time to engrave those screens. Depending on the design, this might take a while. It is highly recommended to always stay with your laser machine. Step 6. Switch the frame. Once the engraving process is finished, take the first screen out of the M1 Ultra and place a second prepared frame inside the machine. Step 7. Screen print. Place cardstock on the sticky mat of your screen printer. Make sure the cardstock lies flat. Insert the first frame in the screen printer. Spread some ink on top or on the side of your design. Use a squeegee to spread the ink and press the ink through the mesh. It is important to let the first layer of ink dry before you apply another layer. You can speed up the drying process by using a simple hairdryer. Once the ink is dry, switch to the second frame. Use the knobs in front of the screen printer in case your design is not aligned perfectly. Repeat the screen printing process. Step 8. Cut the frame. Download or design a frame and let the M1 Ultra cut it using the walnut plywood. Step 9. Assemble. Use some glue at the outer edges of the base frame and place the painting on top of it. It is important not to use any glue in the center. This prevents the cardstock from developing wrinkles. Finally, glue the top frame on top of your print, followed by the additional pieces to create a 3D and more natural look. And that's it! Visit designfind.com to download the free XCS file for this project. The xTool screen printer screens are reusable. Make sure to clean them when you're done printing and use them again on different material like a cushion cover, or try different colors for your prints. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video as much as I did. See you soon with another video. Happy crafting!